Accidents often involve complex legal aspects that can significantly impact the outcome for all parties involved. Understanding these legal elements is crucial for anyone involved in a motorcycle accident, whether as a rider, a driver of another vehicle, or a legal professional handling such cases. Here's an overview of the key legal aspects. Liability and negligence. Number 1, determining fault. Establishing who is at fault is a critical aspect of motorcycle accident cases. This involves assessing whether any of the parties violated traffic laws, acted negligently, or otherwise contributed to the accident. Number 2, comparative and contributory negligence. Many jurisdictions follow comparative negligence rules, where the fault is divided among the parties involved. In contrast, a few places use contributory negligence, where any fault by the victim can bar recovery. Number 3, evidence collection. Gathering evidence such as accident scene photos, police reports, witness statements, and surveillance footage is essential for establishing fault and liability. Personal injury claims. Filing claims. Victims can file personal injury claims to seek compensation for damages like medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Statute of limitations. There's a limited time frame within which claims must be filed, varying by jurisdiction. Insurance claims. Dealing with insurance companies forms a significant part of the legal process. This involves negotiating settlements and understanding policy coverage limits. Products liability. Motorcycle and helmet defects. If the accident was caused or worsened by a defect in the motorcycle or safety equipment like helmets, there might be a products liability claim against the manufacturer or retailer. Criminal charges. DUI and DWI. If alcohol or drugs were involved, the responsible party might face criminal charges, influencing civil liability claims. Reckless driving. Charges for reckless or aggressive driving can also impact the legal outcomes of an accident. Wrongful death claims. Fatal accidents. In cases where the accident results in death, the victim's family may file a wrongful death lawsuit seeking compensation for their loss. Legal representation. Hiring an attorney. Given the complexities, hiring an attorney experienced in motorcycle accident law is often crucial for effective legal representation. Negotiations and litigation. Legal professionals can navigate the negotiation process with insurance companies and represent the client in court if a fair settlement isn't reached. Special considerations. Helmet laws. In some jurisdictions, not wearing a helmet can impact a victim's claim, especially where helmet laws are strictly enforced. Lane splitting. In places where lane splitting is illegal, it can significantly affect fault determination. Understanding these legal aspects is vital for anyone involved in a motorcycle accident. The legal process can be daunting, and the laws vary widely between different regions, highlighting the importance of seeking professional legal advice to navigate these complexities.